In this video, I'm going to be showing you the most awesome Christmas treats, but you can also use them at other times of the year. Stick around and I'll show you how. G'day everybody and welcome back to my Aussie garden and kitchen. If it's your first time here, my name is Darren, but please call me Daz. I'm a very long retired chef here in Australia, and on my channel I do a lot of cooking and gardening how-tos to show you how you can grow your own produce at home and get them cooked and preserved in your own kitchen in your very own home. Today I've got a very special treat for you. It's part of a Christmas collaboration and there'll be more about that in a moment, so please stay tuned. So let's get straight into these delicious treats and I'll explain a lot more as we go along. So first of all, you want to get your chocolate into the bowl, all broken up and ready for the microwave. And along with that, you're going to have some peanut butter. Now I've got a couple of tablespoons of peanut butter and about 400 grams of Cadbury chocolate in my case. So we're getting it all broken up and into the bowl and then pop that into the microwave. I give that about a minute on my microwave. Now you really have to watch out for your power settings on your microwave. So I suggest starting at maybe 40 odd seconds and working your way up, stirring as you go, just to make sure that you're not going to overcook that chocolate or the peanut butter because it will crystallize and possibly burn. But here with my 750 watt microwave, it took about a minute. I just give the chocolate a nice stir through, getting all those lumps to blend in with the warmed chocolate and peanut butter mix, melting it all down to a beautiful, lush, chocolatey peanut butter liquid. Oh, it looks so good. To that, I'm going to add the 2 packets of crispy fried noodles. These are a very popular noodle here in Australia for all sorts of things, and in fact, this brand of noodles actually have the recipe for chocolate spiders on the back of the packet. They're that popular. It's just a simple process of blending that chocolate all the way through the noodles, just mixing it so all the noodles get a very nice coating of the chocolate, and that's it. That is your mix done. It is simple as that. If you're not sure about what noodles to use, I've popped some links down below in my description to noodles that look pretty close to what I use. So by all means, just jump on those links and have a look, and yeah, away you go. Now comes the fun part in making Christmas wreaths. It's quite simple and I'll show you in 2 different ways because not everybody's going to have mini donut pans like I've got here. So with the donut pans, it's quite simply filling the pans, just pushing it all the way around. And then I like to get the end of a spoon and just push everything away from the middle of the donut, I guess the hole in the donut, just forcing it away to give you that really defined circle in the middle of a wreath. So it's just a matter of filling each one, pushing stuff away from the middle, and you've basically got your round wreath shape. It's as simple as that. They're so easy to make. I've put a link down below to Amazon to some of the pans similar to the ones that I use. For those of you who don't have a donut tray like I do, just grab yourself a nice big lump of the mix, plop it onto some paper, some greaseproof paper, baking paper, and then you've got a basic circle there, and it's just a matter of forming a hole in the middle, spreading it out, making that donut type shape, that wreath shape. It's as simple as that. This video is part of a collaboration called It's a Candy Christmas 22. It's hosted by Sherry at Southern Roots by Sherry, and I'm quite excited, and you've actually got a chance to win by watching this collaboration. So what you need to do is watch my video in full as well as other videos in this collaboration and comment meaningfully. No cutting and pasting, people will be looking. And then what's going to happen is Sherry is going to have live streams on the 6th of December, 13th of December and the 20th December 2022, where she'll be picking people at random who've commented meaningfully on some of the videos, and if that's you, you can actually win a prize. Now you do have to be present at the live stream to claim your prize, so do make sure you pop over to Sherry's channel at Southern Roots by Sherry, and you could possibly be winning a prize just by watching one of our videos. There are so many options to decorate these, just whatever you can think of, just go for it. Because I'm doing a Christmas theme, I've got these special Christmas coloured decorations of sprinkles and little tiny Christmas trees and little snowflakes, and I've chosen to decorate some with each of those today, and this is how they're going to look as I do them. If you don't have these particular decorations that I have, you could use a desiccated coconut to simulate snow. You could get red and green lollies, or candy as people say overseas, and chop them up and sprinkle them on top. The possibilities are endless. There's so many options out there that you could think of. Once they're formed up into the shape that you desire, and then decorated with a decoration of your choice, pop them into the fridge and give them a nice chill. You want that chocolate to go nice and hard and set all around the noodles. Then in no time at all, you're going to have the most delicious treats that people are just going to love. Now just quickly, these are based on a treat here in Australia called Spiders. They're a crispy noodle with chocolate and peanut butter, and that's essentially it. They're so delicious, and we make them all the time here. Well, I should say my wife and kids make them all the time here. It's an absolute favourite of theirs, and it's a favourite of mine because I like these just about more than anything that they make here in our house. Because this is a Christmas theme, I've gone for the same Christmas decorations that I have on the other ones, and that is simply a chocolate spider that we make here in Australia, a very popular and delicious treat. So these don't have to be Christmas themed. Quite simply, get them into cupcake papers or roll them into balls, it's up to you. And you can serve them like that any time of year, or you can decorate them. There's so many ways you can go about it. You can sprinkle crumbed cookies on top, coconut on top. You can melt chocolate and drizzle chocolate on top. You can make them with white chocolate. Very, very delicious with white chocolate. So there's so many possibilities with this basic idea. So I encourage you to get out there and have a go and see what you can do. They're absolutely delicious. You really have to give these a go if you haven't before. And trust me, you're going to get a lot of people saying, wow, how did you make these? Can I have the recipe? They're that good. A video is now popping up onto the screen, and I'd love for you to go check that out next. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video today. I do appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.